Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons and people and manga and stuff like that. And today I would like to show you how to draw somebody wearing sunglasses in a three-quarter view. So let's give that a try. We're going to start off with a basic head shape. And a three-quarter view is not complex, but there are a couple of little bit of tricky concepts. And once you get them and understand them, it's easy to draw. So it's sort of like an egg shape is one way to think of it. And then in this egg shape, I build out the back of the head a little bit. And that's the jaw right there. And here is the eye line. Now I'm going to bring this jaw down a little bit. Bring this down a little bit further. Give it a little more length. I'm going to make this sort of a glamorous gal with sunglasses. One way to draw sunglasses is to bracket the top and bottom of them like that. Have these little guidelines. And bring out the nose here. And I'll just indicate it so you see where we are. These two squares. They're both bracketed, so they're even now. And you need to have a little connector like that. The nose comes down here. Have lips facing this direction. There's an overbite if it's a three-quarter view. And bring the chin down a little bit. Need enough chin under that. All right, now bring the ear has to be prominent because that's going to be holding the glasses. Remember, it's the frame right here. This covers the eyebrows, so you don't even need to worry about those. We're going to give her a headband like this. And we'll get rid of the back of the head. And we will now add some hair like that to cover that up. That's the hairstyle. Loose and free. I want to have that a little bit thinner. And I like to have that a little sleeker, so I'll make a little adjustment here. I'll make that a little bit more of a smile. There we go. So this is going to be a very simple construction, and I'll finish it up now with a marker. See how we go. Right? So make them slightly rounded squares rather than just absolutely geometric squares. Right here. And continuing that line both ways, evenly now. The evenness isn't just for symmetry. It gives your audience the feeling that you are in control. If everything's kind of random, it kind of falls apart for them a little bit. Round it again. But I'll make this a little bit straighter because we're looking at it from an angle, so it kind of flattens out as we look this way. Here's the bridge of the nose and into the front of the nose this way. Bring that front lip back, like forward, as I said. And just taper this down. So you see this is coming in for the chin. And that's the jawline there. Little jawline. She has a nice delicate way about her features. Right, here's the ear. I'm going to slenderize that just a touch. We'll put a headband on. And it's rounded because it goes around the head. That's why it's not a straight line. A little bit of decoration. And bring the hairline here in front of the in back of the eyeglasses right there, the sunglasses. A little bit random, very lively hair. And indents here at the headband and comes back out again. And now let's just Let's see if we can darken these in. We'll just be loose with this. You notice that these sunglasses come off the side of the head. They're wider than the outline of the face. So there's some tips for you. Thank you for visiting. I'm glad you joined me today. I always enjoy doing these with you. Please subscribe. New videos every single week for free. See you next time. Bye-bye.